Hi, after a year of long anticipation, FAB in Launcher has been released. You can import assets into all CG software. FAB can basically replace the use of Quixel Megascans. If you are unfamiliar with Quixel Megascans, please watch the previous video on my homepage. With FAB in Launcher, you can one-click import assets into target software, such as Unreal Engine, Blender, Cinema 4D, 3ds Max, Maya, and Unity. But please note, whether FAB in Launcher supports the version of the software you need to import. Here are the currently supported version details. You can pause to view. You just need to download and install the latest version of Epic Launcher. Then open Epic Launcher. Here the FAB button will appear. Or directly check for updates in Epic Launcher. The download link for Epic Launcher will be placed below the video. Besides possessing Quixel Megascans assets, FAB also has a large number of free assets from third-party platforms, far exceeding the quantity of Quixel Megascans assets. Click the FAB button. In my library, you can find assets you already own. These are the assets updated by Quixel in 2025. They are pretty good, but they require payment now. Click here to filter out the Quixel Megascans assets claimed before 2025. The Quixel Megascans assets claimed before 2025 are already sufficient for our needs. After claiming, the account contains about 18,000 high-quality art assets. These assets include many types such as rocks, plants, and various model assets, as well as a large number of texture maps. They are already enough for us to use. Quixel Megascans assets are essential art assets for environment artists. If you missed claiming them before 2025, fortunately, I have multiple Epic accounts that have already claimed these assets. I am happy to share. You can contact me via email or Facebook. Select the assets we need to download. Choose the software we need to import into. Importing into other software follows the same steps. No longer need to use Bridge for import like before, which required complex bridging steps. FAB automatically detects software installed on the computer. Click on Disk to browse all assets downloaded on the computer disk. Click Go to Files can also locate the download path of assets. Searching and managing assets is very convenient. If you have any questions or doubts, please feel free to contact me anytime. If you need an account that has claimed Quixel Megascans assets, you can reach me via email or Facebook.